I'm here with Receipt Canada's Kevin to chat with us a bit about the company. How's your show so far, Kevin?
Oh, definitely is very excited. Meet old friends and new friends and so many things going on. That's very excited.
Okay, great. Hopefully you consider me a new friend.
Definitely yes.
I put you on the spot for that. All kidding aside, please tell us about Canada.
Sure. I'm Kevin Shinn from Receipt Canada. We are a training name of data mount system. What we do, we are an AI bookkeeping platform. We try to automate all those fancy, labored, hustled bookkeeping process into automated things, makes it very easier. So Receipt Canada basically can take all the paper receipts or electronic receipts. We can scan or upload to our system, and then our system can extract all those important parameters, and then we can do analysis, and then we can you can store in our system, or you can integrate to other big brand of accounting software, something like accounting like Sage or QuickBook or Xero. So it's easier for small business, micro business, as well as accounting firms.
All right, so I'm assuming it uses some form of OCR, optical character recognition, to analyze the numbers that's pulled out of those paper documents that are scanned. Is that fair? And then using AI as well to help analyze it?
Definitely, you know pretty much everything. Yes, we did use OCR before, but now we gradually shifted to use more AI modules, use LLM to extract the data, so it's more accurate and faster. And this is the technology to show how we can improve the data entry process as well as reconcile. So the reconcile, we're also doing the AI module as well, which is very convenient to everybody.
Yeah. Awesome. LLM, of course, is short for large language model. And you're based in York Region, is that right?
Yes, we are. We are in Venture Lab, is Steels and
Esna?
Park. Yeah, Esna Park. Yes, it is.
So Markham, beautiful part of the region. And is there a reason why you like being headquartered there?
Yes, definitely. Markham is a fascinating place, the good location, as well as the government, the city of Markham and the York region support the startup very much. So the incubator we are in is called Venture Lab. They provide the free service, free advising services for marketing, sales, funding, legal, everything you name it. All those startup needed, they provided. This is very good. They provide those professional advice, which is the key for us to grow.
Finally, what would separate Receipt Canada from other platforms that can digitize business documents, financial documents, accounting, paperwork? What separates you, and what's the best website to learn more?
That's a very good points. We provide dynamic, flexible modules to each of those accounting process. Currently, majority of the company doing the bookkeeping, they use manually or part of the digitalizing, but to us, we try to improve from the data entry. You can scan hundreds of receipts into one profile and then just one hit upload. Then we automate everything as well as reconcile, APAR, everything using AI, and just save tons of time for accounting professionals.
Okay, great. And then the best website for Receipt Canada?
Yes, the Receipt Canada is, the website is called receiptcanada.com, and the company is called datamond.io, datamond.io.
Thank you so much for your time. Have a great show.
My pleasure. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course, thanks for watching our coverage from the 2024 Collision Conference at the York Region booth.